When I had a look through what Stonewood had on the website, as in terms of plans of different houses, I felt like there was a lot more there that we could choose from if we did a full knockdown. So that's why that was a much better way to go for us.
I think what makes Stonewood special within these kind of companies is that Stonewood allowed us to communicate with all the tradespeople, coming on site, seeing what's happening, and talking
Answering
to
questions.
talking to the tradespeople.
Yeah.
The tradespeople asking us questions, and so the flow was there, and we didn't have major mistakes that happened that had to be corrected.
Everyone that was here actually cared about the job, and I think Stonewood looked after selecting those people that care. So that made a big difference, I'm sure.
Yeah, they put a lot of love and attention into building and all these finishing details. We absolutely would recommend Stonewood to other people.
110%.
We have already done that.
Yeah, yes.